like this, that if you come up describing, if you go on describing, that would take months and months and months, that how do they develop and deploy highly bad-headed professionals. uh, yeah, that's right, have bad treated professionals, and how do they construct their offices, so-called thanas and chowkis and other offices, etc. And how do they construct religious constructions in society for people. So it's like that. Just let me describe the current level, trendy level, high level thing of those things that how is there affecting, hurting both people's society, and let hope is when the peak of technopolitical is at decline in the armor-thrown manner, then hope to have a head, so that me and my family members, Daddy and his family members have any a hair bell, and from them, from the in its work, so-called that's right, LM's work sets, so-called society's leftover problems in LM cats face. It's like that thing. Let me describe what are those four things at a trendy level. What I was saying there, those were extortion and terror finance, terror financing, that's terror financing, and and outrageous establishments and burglary management. What actually is economy's distribution to money. They're all that in new times, which is the very high amount thing. There actually directly goes as as a subset of the thing extortion only, that is kept in their pockets as the 100% of 40, 60%, 60, 40% of extortion and distribution money from people. Second thing is the bad terror finance, terror financing. That's right. That how do they develop highly bad treated personality people in them and deploy them in their cities, in their different cities. It's like there, you will find the height of it there when they use even the computer proliferation to hurt people, developing the digital sense and hurt people, marketing, so selling them in their with the help of their with the help of their actually children and other youngish people in their religious establishments, and for their handling there, the web is established, though certain countries coons, as those are also affected of gender problem. I mean, those are affected of gender problems. Other countries later, which does not work towards developing society but hurting one, and so-called Robin Rule kind of phenomena. So there, you'd find certain portions of the web also compromised and used by them as the uh, as as the terror financing tool, so-called certain websites, computer servers, and those digital scenes. Let me come to the third points. What other averages establishment have gone up to, starting from schools and colleges. They have gone up to now actually up to outsourcing companies, BPOs, those instinct constructions. Those find help from one who other working countries. They want to save their ass. They just provide them work on their local places. That you just get doing the work in your local, and let us have society go well. From there they find they end up finding support, and they go up scaling their outrageous establishments. That's another thing, new trendy thing, that is actually burglary management. You would find there the starry kind of phenomena in there, that because there are several even film developments happen in that, uh, like means several films development happen actually on their phenomena burglary management. Burglary management is actually of three four kind, that is mainly of tunneling investments and tunneling government money, and and luring private investments. And that's it. This is burglary management of three four kinds. Is there films actually at certain occasions some have said they have done the third label, they do third label things, or from certain stashers actually. And government tunneling, you know that from that is known, that is talked like corruption from government projects thing. They are in fact that in fact is even now for tunneling, only creating projects like that. It's not like that actually. And investment tunneling, I have told you in last on when outreaches establishments grow, they end up finding support to have to give space from those bad creative personalities. So I think I have described you for evils of society, evils of India's society, country, how they are operating at present.